Ah, don't you just hate that noise?
That's so annoying. Well, I'm an electrical engineer from Princeton University.
And I'm a mechanical engineer from BYU.
And together, we created a cable that eliminates all cable noise. Introducing the KLOS Premium Silent Guitar Cable. With most guitar cables, you hear a lot of buzzing and noise when you plug in or unplug your instrument.
But with ours, there's no more noise. So doing live sets, gigging, recording, or even just jamming at home, switching out instruments, there's no need to hit the standby switch or anything.
I just played a live show with the KLOS silent cable. I can't even tell you how amazing it is to not have any feedback or noise throughout the entire set. It's truly a game changer.
Hi, my name's Adam Klasowiak, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of KLOS Guitars. KLOS Guitars makes high-end guitars and ukuleles that we've shipped to over 80 countries in all 50 states. Our brand embodies high-quality craftsmanship, and now we're excited to announce a new silent guitar cable that we're coming out with.
The way it works is pretty simple in concept. This is a standard guitar cable and it has no button. As you can hear, there is a lot of noise. This electronically is an open circuit. That's why you hear the noise. You're closing the circuit with your fingers or by tapping your guitar or your arm.
The KLOS Premium Silent Guitar Cable removes all of that. With our silencing automatic button, the circuit is closed until you plug it in, and then you're good to go, no noise. The cable is absolutely packed with features. Works with active and passive pickups. Automatic silencing button on both ends. Lifetime warranty. Performance grade. Oxygen-free copper. Great for on stage or in the studio. The KLOS Premium Silent Guitar Cable. Never hear cable noise again.